The chunky fellas returned to the Duck River. We are at the Carpenters Bridge, as you can see right here. Put in the Carpenters Bridge put in is upstream from my typical put-ins. So I've never actually been here before. There is a float that I would like to do when it's not hot as Hades, and Lord knows it is. Where you take this one down to Leftwich Bridge. I believe it's 9 miles, and it's just not something I can do right now. It is 95-ish degrees. And for a big boy, 95 degrees is a lot of degrees. So we're here. We got a little rain earlier in the week. It was short, brief, kind of tropical like downpour where it just spit on us for a good bit, and then cleared up very, very quickly, and the sun came out. It was like a Florida rain or a Caribbean rain. I don't know what the proper term is, but you know, the water's looking a little greenish brownish, which is not my style. I do have a black Whopper Plopper on, which is, you know, the darker Whopper Plopper, I think, is meant for this type of kind of watercolor, I'd think. So my goal is I'm gonna kind of go down here, loop around, fish up this area that seems to be in the shade, hoping we get some topwater bites. Then I'm gonna head upstream. But thank you guys for joining me. Oh. There we go. Come on, baby. Got a little smelly. All right, hang tight, buddy. All right, we got to do that, don't we? You're not done, are you? Oh, now you are, because I grabbed you. All right, buddy. We like you. Not a big fish, but a beautiful one. We'll take him. Go get bigger. We'll catch you next year. That's a bobcat. Not even afraid of me. I just received word via text message. I'm kind of outside of like cell area that Donald Trump was shot. I don't know anything about what occurred. I just know that he's okay and got shot in the ear. That is bizarre. Absolutely bizarre. Anybody who's running for president of the United States in our country, the finest country in the history of the world, shouldn't have to worry about being shot. Even if it's someone that is polarizing and, you know, all the things. This America, like, you know, that shouldn't be something that you have to be concerned about. Kind of sad. Caught a tree. Now I got a fish. All right. That doesn't happen much. There he is. Oh, I confused him. Well, caught a tree fish. Oh, we got the jumper. We got the jumper. All right. All right, buddy. I'm going to take this hook down to the back, and then you're going to jump and get that quick release. We'll take it. No big deal. It was a smallie. He was active. No. 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 Dang. I hooked that monster. I hooked that monster and I broke my line. Oh, jump again for me. Jump again. Let me see. Let me see. I can't believe that happened. Oh man, that hurts so bad. That hurts so bad. I know it's still there. It broke my line. Clean break. Broke the leader. Oh God, that was a big fish. It's got to be over here somewhere. This is happening more often than I want. It's like a reoccurring thing. I want to cry right now, people. Oh, it was right here. It was good. It was a good one. I set the hook and broke the line. You know it was aggressive. It even jumped afterwards. It was still hooked. It's around here somewhere. Really angry. Oh man. Y'all, I'm getting real annoyed with this. This keeps on happening. I mean, that was a blow up. I'm going to put on another Whopper Plopper. I hope it spit it. Is that it over there? Man. Oh, maybe it was a gar. Oh, is that a gar right there? Yeah. I think it was a gar. Because I could see a gar right there in the water. I wonder, we'll have to go back to the tape. But it may have been a gar. And that probably is why the line broke so clean, because it got cut by its teeth. That would make me feel better than having a smallie with a Whopper Plopper in its mouth. I don't really care for gar, frankly. And there are billions of them, so. Oh, man. So we're wrapping up our half a day of fishing. on the Duck River, upstream from Carpenters Bridge. I have to think this trip was worth it because I saw a wild bobcat. And I mean, I regret saying anything about that one fish. I wonder, it's probably a gar, right? If it's not a gar, I'm going to be heartbroken once again. I'm hoping that's not the case. But it is about that time to call it here. And I enjoyed myself. I always enjoy myself fishing. But, I always find something to cry about, too. And this is no different. I've been a little sketched out by... I keep on looking for the bobcat. I'm like, could the bobcat have been stalking me? Well, it was walking away from me, right? So probably not. It looks like there's some people at the takeout probably wondering why I'm talking to myself. Any which way. It was another day of fishing. We caught a few fish. We caught a few smallies. A couple smallies maybe. We managed to catch or hook something really large. It didn't seem to fight like a smallmouth, so I'm not gonna say it was a smallmouth. I'm hoping it was a gar. I really am. That would make me feel a lot better. Because if I lost that and it wasn't a gar, it was a big bass. So anyway, before this person probably wonders why I'm talking to myself, I'm going to go ahead and sign off and thank each and every one of you for watching. Wish all of you tight lines, and we'll see you again soon.